When it comes to maintaining the appearance and durability of your trailer, choosing the right paint is essential. A high-quality paint not only enhances the visual appeal, but also protects against the elements, rust, and wear. This video presents the top 5 best paints for trailers, exploring their features, benefits, and how to apply them effectively. Number 1. Rust-Oleum Professional High Performance Enamel. Rust-Oleum Professional High Performance Enamel is a favorite among trailer owners for its exceptional durability and protective qualities. This oil-based enamel is formulated to withstand harsh weather conditions and resist corrosion, making it ideal for trailers that are frequently exposed to the elements. Its high gloss finish not only looks great but also enhances the trailer's aesthetics, giving it a polished look. This paint is available in a variety of colors, allowing you to choose one that best matches your trailer's style. It can be applied using a brush, roller, or sprayer, making it versatile for various projects. One of the standout features of this product is its ability to dry quickly, allowing for faster project completion. Additionally, it offers excellent coverage, which means fewer coats may be necessary. Key features: durability, designed to resist rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting protection. Fast drying, touch dry in just 15 minutes, allowing for quick recoating. High gloss finish, provides a professional-looking finish that enhances aesthetic appeal. Versatile application, can be applied with a brush, roller, or sprayer for ease of use. Wide color selection, available in multiple colors to fit any trailer style. Number 2. Krylon Fusion All-in-One Spray Paint. Krylon Fusion All-in-One Spray Paint is another excellent choice for trailer owners looking for an easy-to-apply solution. This spray paint adheres to various surfaces, including metal and plastic, making it perfect for trailers with mixed materials. The paint provides a durable finish that resists chipping and fading, ensuring that your trailer looks great for years to come. One of the unique features of Krylon Fusion is its no-prep formula, which means you don't need to prime the surface before application. This saves time and makes the painting process simpler. The paint dries quickly, allowing for multiple coats in a single day, which is ideal for those on a tight schedule. With a range of colors and finishes, including matte and glossy options, this product allows for creative customization. Key features: no prep formula, eliminates the need for priming, making application quick and easy. Quick drying, dries to the touch in 30 minutes, allowing for rapid project completion. Chipping and fading resistance, maintains a fresh appearance over time. Versatile use, suitable for various surfaces, including metal and plastic. Wide range of colors, offers numerous color choices for customization. Number 3. Duplicolor Truck Bed Coating. Duplicolor Truck Bed Coating is specifically designed for high-impact and heavy-use areas, making it an ideal option for trailers that frequently carry heavy loads. This textured coating provides a rugged finish that protects against scratches, dents, and rust. Its rubberized formula ensures a strong bond to the surface, enhancing durability and longevity. The coating is also resistant to water and chemicals, ensuring your trailer remains protected from spills and environmental exposure. Available in a variety of finishes, including matte and satin, Duplicolor allows for both functionality and style. Whether you're looking to touch up your trailer or give it a complete makeover, this product offers excellent coverage and a reliable finish. Key features: heavy-duty protection, designed to withstand heavy loads and impact. Textured finish, provides a rugged look while enhancing grip and traction. Water and chemical resistance, protects against spills and harsh conditions. Strong bond, adheres well to various surfaces, ensuring durability. Multiple finishes available, offers options for different aesthetic preferences. Number 4. Valspar Anti-Rust Armor. Valspar Anti-Rust Armor is a top-tier choice for those seeking a paint that provides superior protection against rust and corrosion. This oil-based formula is ideal for metal surfaces, making it perfect for trailers. Its advanced technology ensures a long-lasting finish that withstands the test of time, even in challenging outdoor conditions. The paint features a fast-drying formula that allows you to complete your project without long wait times. Valspar's wide range of colors makes it easy to match your trailer to your personal style or existing color scheme. Moreover, this paint is known for its excellent adhesion properties, making it suitable for various surfaces beyond metal, including wood and plastic. Key features: superior rust protection, formulated to resist rust and corrosion effectively. Fast drying, allows for quick recoating and project completion. Excellent adhesion, bonds well to multiple surfaces, including wood and plastic. Wide color selection, available in many colors to suit different styles. Durable finish, maintains its appearance and protective qualities over time. Number 5. POR 15 Rust Preventive Coating. POR 15 Rust Preventive Coating is renowned for its incredible rust-inhibiting properties, making it an outstanding option for trailer owners concerned about corrosion. This paint is specifically designed to be applied directly over rust, stopping it in its tracks and preventing further damage. The hard, non-porous finish forms a barrier against moisture, chemicals, and other environmental factors. POR 15 is easy to apply and dries to a semi-gloss finish, giving your trailer a professional appearance. The paint is also resistant to UV rays, which helps maintain its color and integrity over time. Ideal for both interior and exterior applications, this product is a go-to choice for those looking to protect their trailers from the elements. Key features: incredible rust inhibition, prevents rust from developing and spreading. Direct application over rust, can be applied without extensive surface preparation. Non-porous finish, creates a barrier against moisture and chemicals. UV resistant, maintains color and finish even under sunlight. Interior and exterior use, versatile for various applications. Conclusion: choosing the right paint for your trailer is crucial for both aesthetics and durability. The top 5 paints highlighted here: Rust-Oleum Professional High Performance Enamel, Krylon Fusion All-in-One Spray Paint, Dupli-Color Truck Bed Coating, Valspar Anti-Rust Armor, and POR 15 Rust Preventive Coating offer a range of features tailored to protect and enhance your trailer. Be sure to consider your specific needs, such as the material of your trailer, exposure to the elements, and desired finish, to select the best product for your project. With the right paint, you can keep your trailer looking great while protecting it for years to come.